Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to get XP in Sololearn. So, earning XP in Sololearn helps track your progress and achievements. Earning XP regularly boosts your ranking and unlocks new features. Here's how you can earn XP effectively. The first way is completing lessons and quizzes. You can start learning by enrolling in a course and completing lessons, quizzes, and challenges to earn XP. Now some lessons provide additional XP for completing them without mistakes. So make sure you don't do any mistakes if you want extra XP. You can maintain daily streak. So log in daily and complete lessons to maintain your streak. Longer streaks grant higher XP bonuses over time. Now, you can participate in code challenges. So use the challenge feature to compete with other users in coding quizzes. Winning challenges rewards you with XP while losing results in a smaller deduction. Now, fourth way to do this is creating and sharing code. Write and share your code in the code playground. The more likes and feedback you receive, the more XP you earn. Engage in the community. Participate in Sololearn's Q&A forum. Providing helpful answers can earn you XP. Interacting with other posts may also grant a small XP bonuses. Also, Sololearn awards badges for activities like completing courses, winning challenges, or maintaining streaks. Each badge adds a significant XP boost to your account. Now, share your referral link with friends and earn XP when they sign up and start learning. By actively participating in Sololearn's features, you can steadily accumulate XP, improve your ranking, and enhance your coding skills. So, these were the ways through which you can get XP in Sololearn. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.